Hi guys, this is Pranav Karat and welcome to another episode on Keep It Simple Silly. Today, let's talk about an effective sales technique which has helped me and my organization gravitate very effectively towards consultative based selling. Now, before we dive right in, I want to give a huge shout out to Intandemly, the ultimate product for outbound account based sales. So, guys, let's face it, we've all been there. You pour your heart out into pitching your product or service only to have the conversation end abruptly or see the sales numbers not budging. But fear not. We are going to equip you with an effective sales technique that's simple and very powerful at the same time. The FQ technique. Okay, so now let's break this down. The FQ technique revolves around three simple steps: feel, felt, and found. First things first, when you're talking to a potential customer, make them feel you're on their wavelength. Acknowledge their concerns and make them feel heard and understood. Next up, you let them know that others have felt the same way before, just like they do now. Remember, you're building a bridge of empathy here. And finally, unveil the winning card. Share a story about a previous customer who felt just like your current one, but took the leap of faith after having found incredible results after using your product or service. Now, let me give you an example. Imagine you're selling a super cool productivity app. Your potential customer might say, "I'm not sure if it'll really make me more productive." Step 1, you respond with, "I totally get how you feel. We all want to be more productive, but sometimes it's hard to find the right tool." Now, step 2, you share a success story from another user who felt exactly like that. They hesitated at first, but once they started using the app, they found themselves checking off tasks like a productivity ninja. And step 3, your potential customer can now visualize themselves as the next productivity ninja, all thanks to your fantastic app. But wait, there's more. Taking the conversation ahead is now going to be easy for you. Once they relate to the success story, ask them, "Doesn't that sound like something that would work great for you too?" This question opens the door for them to share their thoughts, and now you can address any other concerns that they might have. So, guys, remember, the FQ technique is all about connecting, empathizing, and showing results. The ultimate formula to win hearts and close deals. So, that's all, folks. Now, let's put these learnings down to actions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for many more sales updates like these. Until next time, this is Pranav Karat, signing off.